You guys know how I feel. I'm not going to be that guy and tell you, oh, don't touch meme coins. They're a joke. No. There is value in meme coins, but I say there's value after you have your foundational portfolio built. Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Taking a look at the markets, checking out this article here. Bitcoin price could shatter 200,000 by June. Historical patterns suggest. Now, I don't know what is going to happen, but what I do know is it's going to be crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy, because it's going to be something that we've never seen before. Price movement with an ETF approval with Bitcoin ETFs. But let's dive in to see what this article is saying here. The long-awaited approval of these ETFs in January 2024 ushered a period of volatility, followed by a more substantial uptrend for Bitcoin, which accumulated in its breaking the previous high in November 2021. And what we've seen now is we've seen an all-time high break of 69,000. We've seen that break, and really what's happening right now is a lot of speculation is going into historical patterns. So right here is being said that, fun fact, last time Bitcoin broke its previous cycle's all-time high, the price more than tripled in 103 days. So that would take Bitcoin to 145,000 by June if that is repeated. With this ETF, with institutional money coming in, I do think it's going to be different. And what I do think is what we've seen previously is going to look like child's play in comparison to what we're going to see this time with institutional money flooding the market. So going back, checking back in this article here, it's being saying accumulating Bitcoin, even at its price rises near record highs, whales behavior deviates from historical patterns where large investors typically buy during periods of low prices and sell as price rises. So typically what they're looking at is what has happened before, right? What have we seen historically? And based off of this metric, listen, all that's out the window, okay? All of that is out the window because we have new market conditions and things aren't being factored in yet, right? So we even look at altcoins, right? Right now, meme coins are mooning, right? They're really moving right now and mooning, and massive gains are happening right now with some meme coins, okay? And with that being said, I don't necessarily think it's appropriate to apply what has happened historically anymore. I just don't think it applies anymore because it's not just retail anymore. It's not retail and a couple venture capitalists. No, it's institutional money that we're dealing with right now. So that's my 2 cents on that. Taking a look here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is cleared its all-time high on the weekly candle, cleared our levels of support, right? So we've seen that as well. And it's hanging up there. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, which we pretty much never do, 4-hour and a daily, we can see that we are entering uncharted territories that we've never seen before. So that is exciting to really get a look at, and really exciting to really be a part of history. And that's pretty much what I've been trying to impress upon a lot of people, is we have an opportunity now to be a part of history. Right? So we go to the lower time frames and we see this, right? And we see, oh, it didn't pull back. I was waiting for this pullback. Guys, this wasn't broken. This was a wick down. This is a 4-hour candle. Wick down and recovered, made an all-time high. It didn't break the higher low point, and that's what I was saying, guys. I need to see a break and close below this higher low point for me to even get a directional bias that it's a significant pullback, guys. So just basic market structure, like we always talk about. Here made a higher low, here made a double bottom because we didn't break and close below. This was a double bottom, came up and made another higher high, which is what we know as our all-time high. So basic market structure, I wanted to cover that with you guys because I know you guys are messaging saying, oh, what about the pullback? Guys, the pullback was contingent upon breaking that low point. If it didn't break and close, price didn't break and close below that low point, it's not a new low. It's not a significant pullback. It's just a double bottom. So double bottoms right here, double bottom, went back up, made a new high. So that's what we see right now. And that's what Bitcoin is. You know, Bitcoin is pretty much the mover right now. I know we're seeing some meme coins move, but Bitcoin is truly the mover right now. And it's super exciting, honestly, guys, to be a part of history, And that's really what I think it is. And I think a lot of people are downplaying what we are seeing right now, because I think 20 years from now, you're going to be asked about, hey, did you know about Bitcoin? Did you know about crypto back then? And the worst thing would be and it's because you have the opportunity. And I think that's what the crazy part is. Like, of course, not financial advice. Everyone can make their own financial decisions. But I truly believe that this is the equivalent to investing in like the Google back in the early 90s, right? And I truly think that this technology is going to change the world. So taking a look at Cardano, Charles Hoskinson stating that when ALTSEASON will fully start, and he made a tweet and pretty much saying when Dogecoin flips Cardano, that's when you know it's ALTSEASON. And I think he has a point. Because when you take a look here, at CoinMarketCap, I know he's making a joke, but look how close this is. And Cardano has utility. And the reason why I talk about that is you do not see, I know we talk about memes a little bit. Okay. We do talk about memes a little bit, but you don't see meme coins being the financial stack of a country. Okay. You don't see that happening. You see that happening with Cardano. And you look at even XRP, right? The projects that have real use case and are being utilized by countries to be their financial stack for how they govern, how they vote, how they handle finances as a country. That's being utilized with XRP and Cardano. It's not being used by Dogecoin, but we're seeing a lot of gains on meme coins. And that's why we talk about it, because, really, like I said, our goal is to help you move forward towards financial freedom with crypto assets. So if something's moving, we're going to uncover why and uncover opportunities. Now, our stance. We don't give financial advice, but we have our foundation set. So we can handle higher risk plays with dabbling into projects like Floki, right? So we did a video on Floki. And typically what happened is, it essentially doubled. So we made a video on March 5th, it went up and you pretty much doubled your money. Okay. Almost a week later. So, that is the play. That is a play that you can use in your portfolio, and however you're investing in crypto. For us, we hold long term. So if we do buy a project, our strategy is we are looking to hold for at least 12 months. We're not dabbling in and out and all that. So I look at Floki and I see the massive gains, and I see that here. What I also do is look at Dogecoin. So I see Dogecoin and I see what happened. I truly believe that we're at this point right here with Floki. I think we're at this point right here where we have a crazy spike up, right? And with that crazy spike, we pull back and then can potentially have, a higher point there. So that is something that I am paying attention to. And to be honest with you, it's a play, guys. It's a play. No, I didn't sell. I am holding. I did pretty well, and I am holding. But I do think that there is more gains to be had with Floki and what they're doing. And to be honest with you, that's just our strategy, right? We have our portfolio built, so we're at the point now where we can take a little extra risk, and we do go to higher risk assets. But our foundation is secure. You guys know we have Bitcoin. You guys know we have Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, HBAR, plays that are secure, and we do believe in them long term as well. The higher risk plays, I think we do believe our strategy is 12 months. So if we do buy a project, we're holding it for 12 months. at least. So definitely wanted to highlight that because Floki's doing some big things. Floki is going to be trying to get mainstream in New York with an aggressive marketing campaign. Times Square Plaza. So starting March 15th, it's going to be running for a full 3 months. So they're doing things that we haven't seen before, right? And so, you know, right now they're going to be exposing themselves to over 330,000 visitors. 50 million people pass through Times Square annually, and they're going to have their billboard right there for visuals. So when I talk about the next Dogecoin, when I talk about the next Shiba, right, I'm looking at what they're doing and how they're being strategic. And that's, you know, that's why I bought. That's why I'm a holder. So you guys know how I feel. I'm not going to be that guy and tell you, oh, don't touch meme coins. They're a joke. No, there is value in meme coins, but I say there's value after you have your foundational portfolio built. That's just what we do, not financial advice. That's what we do. Have your foundation built, and then you can take on the higher risk plays, okay? So hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.